Hi, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to find the routing number on Citibank. So the first thing that you'll need to do, of course, is simply go to citi.com and make sure to log in into your account if you have an account. And if you don't, of course, you'll have to go and open an account. I've already made a video on how to open an account. The same for mobile. If you have the application, make sure to go and log in into your account using the user ID or Touch ID or even Face ID if you enable it. And if you don't have an account, register into your account. And of course, if you don't have the application, you can download it through App Store or Play Store right away. So how now can you find the routing number on Citibank? As you can see, your Citibank routing number can be found at the bottom left corner of a check. Normally, of course, you can, as an example, search here through this article, search whatever bank you want, as an example, maybe Citibank. They'll tell you like where you can find it. So, as an example, you can result for Citibank. As you can see, you can find a routing number for each place as an example. So this is for Citibank West. As an example, you can see the routing number of it, and you can just type Citibank again and look for the routing number that suits you as an example. So this is for, as an example, Citibank NA and etc. So you can just go again here, type Citibank. So you'll have basically to search for a bank name or enter a routing number to check if it's valid. Like example, the routing number that you find at the bottom left of a check, you can even enter it here and see if it's valid. So, as example, if you enter one of those routing numbers here below, so 122 231 as example, 9 3 and 5, I'll just go here. Okay, I'll have to remove the C, click on search, and as you can see, you should find it there. You should find like chase the routing number and type of wire transfer as example, and etc. Of course, if you are in the mobile phone, you will have, of course, to log in into your account. You'll find yourself in this interface. Of course, after that, you'll have to click on banking as an example. So once you click on banking as an example, you'll find here a lot of things. All you need to do, just go and click on account info. Once you click on account info, as you can see, you'll find here your account number and routing number. So the routing number, you'll find this right there, and you should be good to go. So that's going to be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.